Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's have a look on the spin edges in the polygon actions of ZModeler. So right now I've got a polygon grid, a plane model. So I'm going to choose the ZModeler here by just clicking on the brush and then select the ZModeler. Alternatively, you can press B, Z and M, and then you got this polygon face. Over the cursor, over the polygon, and then hit spacebar or right click. Once you got that, you have spin edges tool here, and then you got the target and the direction in which you want to spin edges. So when I just click this model, you may not see any major difference in terms of shape is concerned, and the reason is this spin edges will not affect anything physically in terms of the shape is concerned. It actually spins the point order, which is nothing but every point, every vertex will have an ID. Imagine 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I just click on this, it rotates clockwise or counterclockwise based on the option you have picked here. So you cannot see the change much, but what I'm going to do is to visualize the spin. So I'll go to the geometry and then hit dynamic subdivision, and once that is done, I would like to click on the micro poly and choose something which has got direction in it. I'll choose this one, hard chain, and then you should be able to see this hard chain here. I can increase the subdivisions so that you could see clearly. All hearts are facing this side, but here for this model there is a change there. I hold control and click and then choose arrows instead so that I could have a clear visibility of the direction. So I've clicked it earlier, so that face is right now showing up on the up side. I mean, the arrows are showing up towards up direction. So when I click this, you could see it is rotating clockwise, and if I choose this to counterclockwise, it's going to rotate in the opposite direction. You can also choose the loop here, and then you can change the loop direction of the loop here like that. So alternately you can arrange things according to how you wanted them to be arranged. So this would be a great help when it comes to controlling the orientation of the micro poly. It also works for the nanomesh as also. So if you got any questions regarding this, you can leave you can ask me in the comment section. I request you to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.